Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which file to remove and why, so you avoid accidental loss. Open File Explorer, navigate to the folder, and select Details View to see names and sizes. This helps distinguish duplicates. Once done, close any programs that might lock the file and check properties to verify permissions. If you need admin rights, prepare credentials now. Make sure to enable hidden files when necessary, because system or temporary files can be concealed. Now you delete with the method that fits your goal. For recoverable removal, press Delete or right-click and choose Delete, sending the item to the recycle bin. If you want permanent removal, press Shift plus Delete. Confirm the prompt. For stubborn files, open PowerShell or Command, prompt as administrator, and run Remove Item with the correct path. This bypasses GUI locks and supports wildcards. Make sure you type the path precisely, because command line deletes are final and fast. Finish by emptying the recycle bin if you want the space reclaimed, and verify free space in storage settings. If the system reports the file is in use, open Task Manager, locate the process, and end it. Once done, try deletion again. If that fails, restart into safe mode or run chkdsk to repair file system issues, then delete. One key troubleshooting tip: use safe mode to remove stubborn files, because it minimizes running services that might lock the file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.